And I would say the greatest labor leader in this century, and I don't mean to offend anybody from another union, but that's just how we feel. He's taken us to the forefront of the media. The voice of labor is the man you're about to see and hear. That's our general president, who was elected 12 years ago and took our union out of a very disgraceful, very financially difficult situation and removed those kind of things and put us back in a powerful ability, a huge strike fund, a huge, I'm going to borrow some when I found out how much money he's got. I just couldn't say enough about the Teamsters General President of 1.4 million Teamsters. That's Jim Hoffa. Give him a standing ovation.
Thank you. All right. Hey, let's talk some trash. I've been wanting to say that since we got here. I mean, you know, isn't this great? You know, look at those buses. First student, those are all Teamster buses, all organized. That's what we're doing here in LA. We are organizing and we have a coalition. But I have to come here and thank everybody, the Sierra Club, the Blue-Green Alliance, Lane, the Steelworkers, the NRDC, all of us together have formed something special here. And we have got to make sure that we build on this. And we are just beginning it here at American Recycling, because this is ground zero. And the same way we're fighting everywhere else, we're fighting in the ports to get justice in the ports. There's going to be justice here at American Recycling. That will happen. And I also want to recognize our friend Tony Shelton over here. He's come thousands of miles to be with us. He's an ally. CWU. Our friend from all the way from Australia. Thank you. I hear that they need some vests. They can have my vest. Everybody here will get a Teamster vest before we leave. That's what this is about. All right, now we're talking. But you know, it's about justice. It's about the war on workers. We talk about the war on workers. You know, there is a war on workers, and you know here in California, maybe it's different from Michigan, where we got Republicans trying to take away collective bargaining. You know, here it's something different. Here it's something different. We have the right to organize, but we have employers like American Recycling standing in the way. They've got the money. It's just a matter of making sure the will of these workers is heard. Is that going to happen? And the best theme that we have here is, don't waste LA. Let's hear it. Don't waste LA. Don't waste LA. Don't waste LA. Don't waste LA. That's our theme. We are going to do this. We're just at the beginning. But the battle that goes on here is going to continue. We are never going to stop. And the war on workers extends everywhere else, but California is ground zero. Because we have everything here. We have friends, we have politicians, we have mayors, we have councilmen, and we all believe in the same thing. Justice for all Americans. We're not going to be the 1%, we're going to be the 99% until it's 100% for everybody. That's justice in America.